Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can make YouTube Shorts in Filmora. YouTube Shorts has been a trending topic in today's tech world, from where you can gain views and subscribers and share your video with others. So let's dive in. First, open a new project or a video you want to make YouTube Shorts in. For example, I want to make a YouTube short for this video and tap on the option called scale, which you will find on the bottom of your screen. Simply swipe until you find an option called scale, then tap on it. Here you will see many aspect ratios. Simply go ahead and select an aspect ratio which is 9:16. This is the default aspect ratio to make YouTube Shorts, and you can continue editing your video, and this is it. Now you guys know how to make YouTube Shorts in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.